Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to claim your UK tax refund online in 2025. For that, first of all, you will have to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for gov.uk. Now, once you are over here, you just have to simply scroll down, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for claim a tax refund. Now, once you type claim over here, it will show you a bunch of different options. So you will have to select this one, that is claim a tax refund. Then you will be landed on this type of section where you need to simply select this URL, that is check how to claim a tax refund. After that, it will show you some of the details regarding this one, so you will have to just read it thoroughly and then click on the start now option. Now it will ask you what did you pay too much tax on. So among the given options, you will have to select the one that suits you the best. For example, I've selected this one, and you need to press next. Then it will ask which type of pension did you pay too much tax on. So select the one as per your requirements and as per your suitability. Then you will see what did you pay too much tax on. So select the one option, and here you need to press next. So you will have to simply give the answer to these questions. You will have to select the options that suits you the best, and that is going to give you the best return or the best options in front of you. So you will have to just keep on selecting the options, and after that you will see the HMRC will calculate your refund. So once it is done, you will have to simply fill this form. So simply click on this form and it will be opened in front of you. So here you just have to simply get it via email, or you can even print this page. After that, you just have to fill out these details one by one, and this way you will be able to basically submit this particular form, and once it is approved, your refund is usually sent within 5 working days to your bank account. So if this video helped you out, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick and helpful financial guides. Thank you so much for watching.